It's the Craft Sisters, and if you're new to our channel, I'm Glenn.
I'm Mia.
And today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies! Yay! Yay! Chocolate chip cookies! Oh my goodness.
Yay!
No,
Yellow world.
Okay, cut. Okay, so the ingredients you need for these chocolate chip cookies is 1 cup of salted butter, make sure it's salted, and 1 cup of white granulated sugar, and 1 cup of light brown sugar, and make sure that it's packed. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips or chocolate chunks.
I'm going to be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl.
My sister Mia is going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. These are our dry ingredients: the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. We're going to set it aside for now. And right now my sister Emma added 1 cup of softened butter.
And right now we are going to be adding 1 cup of white granulated sugar into the bowl. So we are going to be adding 1 cup of brown sugar. Make sure you pack it. Don't pack it too hard because then you're going to put too much brown sugar. And pack it
Mix our butter and sugars together very gently, just so they cream together.
Okay, so I'm going to be adding 2 large eggs.
Everything's fine, the egg is fine, the dough is still working, everything's fine. Okay, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now we're just gonna let that mix for a little bit. Whoa, it's creaming together.
Yeah.
Our sort of dough thing is ready. We're going to add our dry ingredients. This might get a little messy, but I mean, just try to be careful.
Can I mix it?
It works. We're all saying that our mixture stuff has turned to dough. We're going to add 1.5 cups of chocolate chips.
And I'll mix it for a little bit.
1 more glass chocolate chip.
Okay, so when your dough is ready, make sure to roll them up into balls. I like mine medium, but you can do yours however you want to. And the dough isn't really that sticky.
And also, if you don't have a non-stick cookie pan sheet, I recommend putting parchment paper, but since we have a non-stick one, we're not going to.
You're going to be adding your cookies into the oven.
Don't be scared, it won't burn you.
That's what it says. I don't believe it. There you go. So bad. You want to leave your cookies in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Hopefully it's 8 minutes.
Hey guys, our cookies are ready, and this is how they came out, and we're gonna try them.
They're so soft.
Look at these. We're gonna take a bite.
They're so good. It's so soft. So chocolatey. Okay guys, so that was our video for today. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
butter and sugar.
Just butter and sugar? Just?
I guess you're right.
Can I look it?
Yeah, sure.